Hey, welcome to my non-spoiler review of Suicide Squad. This isn't gonna be long, just a little update, little thing, gonna post a longer one later in the week. Just gonna give my brief thoughts on the movie. Alright, so it's not as bad as the critics would have you think, but it's not super amazing. This is immeasurably better than BVS, in my opinion. BVS, that was like long and drawn out and like just felt slow, and the action, everything couldn't save it. Whereas this, okay, so there are some complaints like it was kind of too fast if you like new to the whole thing. It's gonna be, and you have no idea what the characters are. It's gonna be kind of too fast to follow sometimes, But I like the pacing overall. That it pushed it. This like wasn't boring. Some plot points were, but I can let it pass for now. But I liked it. Not a great movie, but definitely watchable, and you should. It's definitely worth the money. Alright, so see you later.